What do we call this one? Golden Mountain?
Oh.
Nope, keep going. It's supposed to be half full. Okay, now we need 3 tablespoons of baking soda.
Baking soda.
Granddad, you want to help?
I guess.
But it won't. Is it going to explode when we put it
here?
in there?
Yeah. So you have to. That's
What will
I did
happen
last
to
time.
it? What will happen to it?
Okay.
One.
Well, it sure is a pretty volcano. We're getting ready to explode. It's going to take all that paint off that you worked so hard on.
We can make another one.
Well, not this weekend.
I know.
All right, now, are we ready? Here we go. Whoop, be careful.
No,
You'll
no,
go
no,
easy.
no, no, no. Pour it from here, okay?
And a little bit at a time, a little bit at a time.
Oh.
See what's going on. We got any action yet?
No.
Woo! Oh.
Ooh.
Oh. What happened to the color?
You're getting in.
It's pretty cool.
Where did the color go?
Pretty cool. I don't know, but we put a lot of color in it. What do you think?
Cool.